For the new BMW 3 Series, installing spacers are a fantastic way to give your BMW a more aggressive look and improve its handling dynamics. By spacing the wheels out, you are reducing the car's roll center and increasing stability.
As long as you use high-quality tool spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. BONOSS provides extremely light BMW wheel spacers that are precisely machined with few hollow holes. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged lateral pass wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption. Use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels, and then tighten the extending wheel bolts to the wheels. The wheel bolts of BONOSS forged BMW wheel spacers are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistant structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. The forged extending wheel bolts of BONOSS BMW spacers have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than stock one. With these BMW wheel spacers, there is nothing that physically stops the sizes of the modification. The BMW spacer can help achieve perfect fitment, no matter which size wheel spacer you choose. Choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. If you need any help with the wheel spacer selections, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.